Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to use this EVPeak Intelligent Balance Charger U5 Plus that is designed for the agriculture drones. First, connect the charger to the AC socket via the AC power cord. Then, insert the battery to the charger via this adapter cable. Power on the charger by pressing this button. Now, we are going to talk about how to charge your battery. There are two buttons. This is for charging and the other one is for storage. And here is a rotating button which can choose charging modes. To start charging process is super easy. You could hold the charge button or do nothing. This intelligent charger U5 Plus can automatically recognize the battery information and will automatically enter charging process after 10 seconds. During the charging, you can check more information from the screen such as cell voltage, charging current, capacity, and the time. When you want to exit the process, just press the button again like this. When the batteries were a long time of no usage, the storage function is recommended. Just press the storage button to start the process. This U5 Plus 3000 watt 30 ampere charger supports both LiPo and Li-Heavy batteries. To exchange the battery type is also super easy. Just hold the charge and storage button together for more than 3 seconds, then the screen will show the selection of UI of LiPo and Li-Heavy. Press the storage button to change the type, then press this charge button to confirm, and the battery type is settled. Next, we'll introduce the bullet point of U5 Plus. Up to 8 batteries at once with the UB5 Butler. The operation is very easy. You can see there are some screws, and all you need is unscrew the screws and insert the Butler like this. You can connect 4 batteries to the charger together. With double Butler UB5 Pros, you can connect 8 batteries at one time. The smart charger intelligently recognizes internal voltage of the batteries and charge them as the order from highest to lowest voltage at a maximum 30 ampere. Thanks for your watching. Any interesting or comments, please contact us with service@evpeak.com.